Texan Global School. Plane geometry. Rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four sides forming four right angles between them. Their opposite sides, parallel to each other, are the same length. We can see from the diagram that the sides of the rectangle form right angles, and the opposite parallel sides have the same value. Normally we denote the length with the letter L and the width with the letter W. Another characteristic of the rectangle is that it has four vertices as seen in the diagram. Recall that a vertex is a point that is formed at the intersection of the sides. We can also see that rectangles have two diagonals. Diagonals are straight lines that start from the vertices and pass through the center denoted as O. The perimeter of a rectangle is obtained by adding its four sides. Also, adding twice the length with twice the width. The formulas summarize these definitions. Let's look at the example. Given a rectangle with a length of 2 feet and a width of 4 feet, we will calculate the perimeter. We can see that the length denoted L is 2 feet and its width denoted W is 4 feet. Using the formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, we then add its four sides 2 plus 4 plus 4. It can also be calculated by adding twice the length to twice the width. With this we obtain a perimeter of 12 feet. It is important to place the units of length. The area of a rectangle is obtained by multiplying the length times the width. The formula summarizes this definition by denoting the length as L and the width as W. Let's look at the following example. Given a rectangle with a length equal to 5 meters and a width of 10 meters, we will calculate your area. We can see that the formula for calculating the area is length times width. We substitute values in the formula since the length B measures 5 meters and the width A measures 10 meters. By making the product we obtain an area of 50 square meters. Once again we emphasize the importance of units, in this case squared because it is the calculation of the area. Some applications of the rectangle can be seen on a soccer field, television screens, or in books. In the following application problem, a group of friends want to do a soccer tournament on a field and want to know the area and perimeter to cut the grass and paint the field lines. They know that it must be rectangular in shape with sides of 45 and 90 meters. It is crucial to outline the problem with a drawing or scheme. Hence, a rectangle with a length of 45 and a width of 90 is observed. The perimeter is obtained by adding its sides, thus obtaining 270 meters. We calculate the area so that they can cut the grass, and multiply the length of 45 by the width of 90. We thus obtain an area of 4,050 square meters. All rights reserved to Texan Global School, LLC. www.texanglobalschool.com